New one and old one. I've got all my feet on my heads in the mud.
Can I take my head out of the wheel arch now? Safety first and all that.
Passion for adventure, living without a rhyme. Ooh, crossing the mountains high, playing with time.
Morning team, welcome back to the channel again. This is part 2 of fixing the rider height sensor. Come here and I'll show you what we did. This was the original one we bought, but it's only a 3-pin, which they said would work. So I've ordered another one, link in the description.
Yep.
That's a 6-pin. See the difference? Because the old pin wouldn't go in.
All right.
Already put the new bracket on. And if you look down here, I've already lifted up the car. I've put an axle stand in as well.
Excellent.
Like and subscribe. First of all, this is the ride height sensor here, and we're going to take off the bottom one. So you have to span it to hold it, the nut at the other end, and it should just come off. If you notice, I'm sporting a lovely new head torch bought by my lovely wife for Christmas. Thank you very much. What is spinning? Nearly there. Yeah. So there's the bottom off.
Cool.
And what I'll do is I'll just put that on, make sure I don't lose the nut. So, no, that was too small, I think. Yeah, not the same as the other one. No, anyway, never mind. Right, now, what you actually see up here, 2 bolts there to take off. Loads better. In fact, before I do that, I'll take off this plug. These 2 tabs you push in. There you go. Good. Having the right tools.
Yeah.
And obviously knowing what you're doing.
It really helps.
Makes all the difference. Because last time this took ages. I thought I won't need to jack the car up. I can do it without. But it made it so much more difficult. 10 minutes spent jacking the car up a little bit. Just gives it a bit more purchase. Makes all the difference. Car's looking pretty good from here.
That's all right.
Needs a good clean.
Yeah, but it's winter.
Time of year, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, here comes the second nut. Right, and a garage will probably charge you, I think a Land Rover OEM one, ride height sensors, about 160 quid. I got these for 30. Obviously the OEM ones are better, but this is running a Range Rover properly, but on a budget, and they'll probably charge you at least an hour's labour for this, and you have to reset the, like a code reader. So charge you probably 80 quid for that. So it could be best part of 350 quid.
That's good. So we're doing it a lot, the cost effective for us, isn't it? It's a lot better.
Yeah. There you go. And here it comes. And I'll come and show you. This is the old one. Bit manky, but it has got 6 pins, you see. They do get a bit tired. They're only plastic. And obviously what happens is that's plugged to the car. And as the car goes up and down, it tells the computer where the wheels are. So after a while, the car doesn't know where it is.
Right.
So it might be there, but the car might think it's there. And it adjusts the airbag. So that's why it's quite low in the front.
Yeah.
Make sure this all looks all right. Yeah, look. New one and old one.
Looking good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll pause it there. We're having a coffee. See you in a minute back.
Bye-bye.
Right. We're now going to install the ride height sensor. Okay?
Yeah.
So, got one in. Right, just putting the second bolt in now. I've got all my feet on my heads in the mud. Right, so that's the second screw on.
Excellent.
Just hand tighten them.
Yeah.
Right. That's the first one done out.
Yeah.
Not too tight, tight enough. I'll do. And the second one. That's nice and tight. Right, now there's one little bolt here, and that goes in there. See there?
I do see, yes.
And then put the bolt on. Also, this one's got to hold it with a spanner to tighten it up so that it's able to spin round.
Okay.
You can see there's a hold that on there.
Yeah.
Hand tighten it, and then when there's a bit of a purchase. Now it needs that. There we go. That's nice. Nice and tight.
Cool.
That.
Excellent.
That's it. All I'll do now is plug it in. Right. Hopefully this will go straight in. Oh, it does as well. Bargain. Ugh. I think that's it.
Yeah?
Yeah. Feels in quite tight. Right, that's it. Done.
Can I take my head out of the wheel arch
Yeah.
now? Okay. Safety first and all that.
Aha. Hang on. Should go up.
It is.
Look. And the warning sign's gone off as well. I think. That's good. You found the off-road position quite high.
Quite high, yeah. Very.
I'm not going to put it in the normal. If you see there, that's off-road height.
Okay.
Look on the dash. That means it's in off-road height position. Press down once. It'll say normal height selected, and the car should drop down.
It is dropping down. I can feel
Now,
it.
on these Range Rovers, because it's got air suspension, it won't go up and down if the door's open.
Right.
Another problem we had this morning is because, like I said, locks are frozen. This is locked, this door, so you can't close it. So our next thing is to have a look at this.
Yeah.
But it appears the ride height is done.
Fantastic.
A win!
It is a win.
Woohoo!
We got there. Excellent. Sorry, what are you just doing then? You're doing some sort of measuring.
Yeah, you're meant to measure when you've done it to make sure they're roughly the same height, even
Yeah.
though one's slightly the ground. You normally measure between the centre and here.
Yeah.
So, put that there. See? Very, very technical way of doing it.
Absolutely.
In middle Land Rover. There, look, perfect. See? That
Excellent.
is good.
Cool.
We've done a thing.
We did a thing.
Now, if you like this, if you're mental, because there's better stuff out there, remember to like and subscribe. Maybe leave us a comment.
Yes,
I'll
that'd be
get
cool.
back to you.
Yeah.
But thanks for all the subscribers. We're only a small little YouTube channel, but hopefully you like it. So stick with us. Thanks again, and until the next one, we'll see you later.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.